Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Start, then Settings, and going to Accounts. This puts you directly where Windows stores sign-in controls. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account or have the admin password available. Windows won't let you change another user's password without it. Next, click Sign-in Options to see available methods: password, PIN, or Windows Hello. Once there, select Password to start the change process. This first action ensures you're modifying the correct credentials safely. Now perform the actual change. Click Change under Password and type your current password when prompted. This step verifies it's really you. Then enter a new password twice. Choose a long, unique passphrase that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Make sure it meets Windows complexity, length, and mixed character types if required. Once you confirm the new password, Windows will apply it system-wide. Make sure to update any saved credentials on apps or remote services. Finish by signing out and signing back in with your new password to confirm it works. This final check avoids surprises. If you use a Microsoft account, make sure your devices sync and update saved credentials in apps, browsers, and mapped network drives. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, don't panic. Use another administrator account to reset the password or run the built-in password reset tool from the lock screen. If that fails, boot to recovery options or contact IT for account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.